Okay, love bugs, happy Tuesday for me and happy whatever day it is, whenever and whenever you're watching this video. Today I've teamed up with UNice and we are going for a red wine color. Like fine wine, she gets better with time. Okay, that was a little bit corny, but today I've teamed up with UNice. They sent me over this gorgeous red wine 24-inch pre-styled curtain bang wig. And this one even came with the roller attached. She has pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, a pre-plucked hairline, and again, she was pre-styled with the color, cut, layers, and everything done for you. Today you'll see me do a very easy 10-minute or less install. I'll even include a really cute hairstyle to show you the versatility of a wig that comes pre-styled. Even when it comes to the curls, you don't even have to touch them up. Straight out of the box, they are ready to go. And the icing on the cake, this one even comes with the drawstring to make it the perfect fit for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs. So before we get into the video, let's go ahead and check out the unboxing. This here wig came from UNice, as you already know, and this is the box. Super beautiful. I am always obsessed with that magenta. Inside of our box, we did get a pack of HD wig caps, and these are the UNice brand, so of course they are exclusive to UNice. Here we also got a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape. Now this here is literally wig tape, so there's one here and one here, and these are like a pair. So essentially you can apply one here, peel stick, and apply your wig with your wig tape, or if you just want to put a little bit, you know, like at the center, or like whatever your thing is, if you want to use them at the nape, these are great to have. They also gave us a melt belt, and you guys know this year they came out with the thin ones. They used to have the thick OG ones that said UNice. These are a little bit more, or a lot better, because a lot of times we gotta kind of sort of wear them out and about, and not to be ghetto in Walmart, but just to and fro to get to where you're trying to go. Sometimes you just want to make sure that lace is super melted. These are a little bit more discreet. They still say the UNice logo, but they are also designed, so it gives headband or design opposed to like bonnet and wig band, if that makes sense. So this here is the star of the show. We are going with this beautiful red wine colored pre-styled wig. So from the front, it's giving curtain bang with the roller attached, bust down middle part, and then we have the beautiful curls to set it off. I'm gonna add just a little bit of hairspray. Sometimes when you already have curled hair, you can go ahead and add a little hairspray and kind of like reset them, and they will stay in place a little bit better. Let's go ahead and put this, let me show you the inside construction of the cap. Excuse my manners. So I believe this one here is 24 inches. If not, it's 22. I'll have it linked in the description box with all the details. But as you guys can see, this is a 7x5 Bye Bye Knots closure lace wig. We have the pre-everything cap construction with the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. There's a beautiful scallop on the lace. Although we have curtain bangs, you will be able to see the lace peekaboo, and you'll see that that beautiful scallop cut is going to act like a really good camouflage to hide the lace a little bit. Beneath that, we do have the adjustable and removable elastic band. This appears to be a classic cap with the upgrade. At the nape, you do have your larger comb as well as adjustable straps, and the icing on the cake, or the upgrade I mentioned, is this beautiful drawstring. Now I call it beautiful because it's beautiful to me. I love the way us girls with the odd shaped heads, maybe not too normal if you will, can use that to really make a wig custom fit to my head. So let's go ahead and adjust everything and get her on. Okay, now that we have the wig on, let's go ahead and remove the roller. Now this one here is literally a put on and go wig. You can literally put this one on, do a quick 1-2, and you are out the door. Of course, we have recital practice for dance today. It's our off day, but because it's recital week, there is no off days on recital week. So let's go ahead and get my girls to the studio. But before, we want to actually look like something. So I'm gonna pin these back. I don't want to really add a crimp to them just because they are already done. You don't really have to redo them like so. And then here's a look at the lace. As you can see, she fits 100% glueless. You can see that pre-everything cap construction. Feel free to go in and like tweeze or do any extra things you need. But again, you don't have to if you don't want to, especially as a beginner. Kids run around while I'm laying his hair. Now when I go in and press in that lace spray, I'm gonna kind of do this with it and try to make it like move around. Reason being is I'm not gonna do any baby hair on this one, simply because we have the curtain bang and it'll just flip and flop everywhere. But I still wanna have a little bit of that camo there, so this is what we're gonna do.
Edges on point with a little mama flair.
Okay, step one, we're gonna do the dynamic duo. I already applied a wax and I'm just going to go ahead and press out the parting as well as the hairline.
Life's a whole movie every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs.
Okay, so this one here is a before and this one is an after. You see how we kind of smoothed it out, flattened out everything, and make sure we canceled out any bit of frizz. Super cute.
After the mess, all we be is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
Okay, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's nice and flat and it kind of forms my head, which makes it look like an install for real. Let's go ahead and tint the lace. You guys know I'm a creature of habit, so I love the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 15 and 16. This one's for the parting and then this one's for the hairline. Before, after.
It's broadcast time and the kids won't sit still.
Okay, so we're almost installed and look at how beautiful that looks. Literally, we've been filming for about 10 minutes or less. The only thing we have left to do is make sure we have a glueless fit. So we're gonna literally just lift the wig, pull that drawstring out. You can literally grab on, find the stopper and just adjust it as tight as you like. You lift and tuck and put it back in, and once it's in, it will not slide back out. Feel free to use the comb back there as well for a little extra security, and also it will bring the wig down to make it super flat in the back. Here's a look at what she looks like from the back. Super beautiful, super nice and long and full. We love the curl pattern on this one. And that's pretty much it, love bugs. If you want to touch up some curls, I'd recommend waiting until your wig needs it. I love my wig nice and fluffy, but if you want to add a little bit more definition or even cancel out frizz, I would recommend the smallest size of a serum, my mommy's OG favorite. Rub it in and just hold it against your hair, and it literally will help to cancel out frizz. Adds a little bit of smell good depending on what serum you use, and you are good to go. Something I always do also is, like, if I want to add a little more definition, I'll take the bottoms.
Lost your socks, someone spilled the milk for real.
You see how that just adds a little definition?
With the chaos, making memories on the way. Welcome to the lion's house.
Okay, love bugs, so we went ahead and did the style. One thing I want to show you guys is, I think I already showed you guys the hairline. Of course, you guys know I would want to add some baby hair to this, but because we have the curtain bangs, they're not going to stay. But this is a look at what it would look like set as a side part. You definitely can make it a side part and switch it up, and that would be gorgeous. I feel like we want to also know what this one looks like styled in other ways. Because this is a pre-styled wig, I want to make sure that you can see the versatility in being able to style it in multiple ways. So let's go ahead and jump into a clip of this one styled a little bit different.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie every scene on deck.
Okay, and just like that, we have a cute little hairstyle. Hair off the face, especially when it comes to doing like permanent decisions like curtain bangs. Sometimes you just don't want it in your face, and this is an easy way. You take your hairpins, clip it back. You can even take some cute like decorative clippies, like some baby clippies, and you are good to go. Okay, love bugs, now that you guys have seen this one styled straight out of the box as a quick and easy beginner friendly 10-minute install, and you've even seen me switch it up and add a different style, it's time to go. I gotta get my girls to the dance studio, so that is pretty much it. If you have any questions about this wig, leave them in the comments down below. We are doing Vlogmas the entire month of December, so make sure you are checking out those videos. Also, all the details and a direct link to this beautiful girl are listed and linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
It's broadcast time and the kids won't sit still. Somebody lost your socks, someone spilled the milk for real. Real blurry, rolling with the chaos, making memories on the way.